guys, we're back with another video, and it's a toy video this time. So thank you again for looking at this channel. We are opening the Hatchimals collectibles today, and I have a 4-pack here with one bonus, which we can already see right here. There are 80 to collect, and this is a season 4 of the Hatchimals, which is the Hatch and Bride series. And that means that if we look at the back, in the playset you can find these little flowers, and the light comes from off the bottom. You can put your figure on there and they shine bright. Place on light, we shine bright. That's what it says. So I'm just really excited about the figures. So let's tear this open and get started. So before we are going to hatch our Hatchimals, I want to show you what season 4 means. It means that there's a new island, Illuma Island, where the Hatchimals can come from. And that means that there are 4 new series. And I'm just gonna put a little bit closer. We have number 20 here. That is the Midnight Masquerade. And we have 21 here. That's the Starlight Horses. Number 22, Booming Bluffs. And here we have the Radiant Reef. So those are new in the series. And in the back of this card you can see which are our normal Hatchimals. Different families. We have Garden, we have Farm, we have Savannah, we have Jungle, Ocean, then it's River, then on this side we have Desert and Forest. And here are the special ones, the special editions. The Starlight Shores, Blooming Buffs, Radiant Reef, that's the one that I just showed you on the map. And the Midnight Masquerades right there. So lots of Hatchimals. And this checklist is really small, so I'm hoping that I can read the names of the pets that we're gonna get. I'm going to start with this one. I've heard that by looking at the specs on your egg, and there are a light, I'm gonna say a light pink. You can see from which family they are. So this could be another Garden Hatchimal. To open your egg, you have to rub the heart until it changes from color, which is more difficult than I thought it would be. Rubbing, 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 rubbing. Nothing's happening so far. Maybe my hands are too cold. It is supposed to change. Well, I don't know if you guys are busy, but we're going to be here for a while. Rubbing the heart, rubbing the heart, rubbing the heart. Still rubbing the heart. Oh, yeah, there's something happening. There's something happening. It is turning pink. I want to do it a little bit more. So, I consider this pink. You can see that it has changed. So, now we're going to hatch it. Just gonna break it. There it is. Ooh, gonna peel it open. There's our Hatchimal. Oh, does not want to come out yet. We have to peel a little bit more. This one is way too comfy in her egg. It does not want to come out. Come on, you little Hatchimal. Come on. I did not know it would be so hard. She's stuck in there. She's stuck to the bottom. Oh, I got it. Ooh, look at that. Let's put aside our egg. Oh, that is cute. It looks like a froggy. Ooh, and it has the pink wings. So this one is rare. And I think think this is one of the garden series. I was right. You guys can see her. Her name is Fro. So I'm guessing she's a frog. And she's waving at us. Hello. She's saying hello. Really cute. I'm gonna put her with our snail tail. Alright, I made lots of mess already. Let's hatch another egg. I'm going to do the pink one. This has pink spots. And we go rubbing. So I did the rubbing off camera because I'm not that good at it. But as you can see, the heart is now pink. So this egg is ready to hatch. Let's open it up. Start peeling this off. This has bright spots in pink. So I'm guessing this is one of the meadow. Oh, this one comes out very easy. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, that's cute. This is kind of like an otter. I'm gonna have a look. This is Pharaoh. Oh, so I'm guessing this is a ferret. She has nice wings, which are ultra rare because these are purple. Awesome. That's really cute. Can you see all the detail of this little thing? I mean, the little feet and stuff. Really nice. Really cute. Let's put her with her friends. Alright. Well, let's hatch our next egg. So again, the heart is nice and pink. We're going to hatch. This egg has light pink spots. So I'm guessing another one from the garden family, or it's a jungle version. So let's start hatching. There's our little Hatchimal. It's purple, it's cute, it's another frog. We had the green frog already, you can see that. So I'm guessing that they are twins. This one is also named Frau. So, well, that's that's kind of tough for the mom, having all your kids named the same way. Nice silvery wings there. Cute, Frau. Going with her friends. And our last egg. So rub, rub, rub. Making it hot. Rub, 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 rub. And I'm considering it warm. Let's start hatching. This one has purple spots. So I'm guessing jungle. You really have to work for it to open your egg. Which I think is cool. Because it would not be fun if it were just really easy, you know? What did we get? What did we get? It's a monkey! It's a monkey. Nice and pink. I love the face, really cute. This is from the Jungle series, I was right. And her name is Gorilla Bee. Oh, so it's a tiny gorilla. So gorilla baby. And this is a common because it has the silver wings. And here are our new friends, all hatched out. We have our snail tail, we have two Frowls, and this one was Pharaoh and Gorilla Bee. As you can see, I have one of the frogs inside the nest. If you peel your egg further down, I'm going to show you, like this. To be careful not to break it. So there you have it. You have a little nest for your animals. Cute, huh? It's a way to keep them safe. And it's nice that I have a bed to sleep in at night. So as you guys can see, I dimmed the light a bit because I wanted to show you the effect of the Hatch and Bright. This is my phone, and I put on the flashlight in order for you guys to see what happens if you put your Hatchimal on there. Look how cool that is. I'm guessing it is probably the same effect with the flowers from the playset. But now at least you can see what happens. I like it that they're see-through. Really cool. Gives a nice effect, don't you think? That's so cool. I think that's awesome. Oh, 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 everybody's falling down. So, and of course the froggy as well. Wow, that's really green. Awesome. So, I did not have the flowers yet, but at least now you can see what happens if there's a light underneath them. They turn all sparkly and pretty and glowy, and I like them a lot. That's really cool. Awesome. So this brings us to the end of the video. Yeah, it's done already. Well, this was really cool. I really like the Hatchimals. I think they're awesome. I think it's really cool that you have to peel open your egg to get them out. I also like that it's not too easy, so it's like really an activity, not something that you're done with in 10 seconds. So that's really cool. I love the figures themselves. I think that they're really cute and they have lots of detail on them. So those were better than I expected. That's cool. Well, obviously, if you see the list, there are lots more to collect. So maybe we'll do that in the future. For now, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you had a good time watching it. I had a great time making it. And please subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. Leave comments down below. I love that. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye, guys.